Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai visa extensions. So for those who are unaware, when you come to Thailand, and depending on your status, it may be possible to get a visa extension in tourist visa status, visa exempt status. It may be possible to extend one's status. In most cases that we deal with, especially here in our office, we're usually dealing with business visa, marriage visa extensions, retirement visa extensions. We're not generally talking about, we deal with them, but not so frequent do we deal with like a visa exemption extension. But visa extensions are dealt with here in Thailand under the auspices of the Ministry of Interior, under the Immigration Department, not dealing with a visa issued by a Thai embassy or consulate abroad. So understand the distinction there. Thought of making this video after reading a recent article in the Pattaya Mail, pattayamail.com, and honestly, the thrust of this article goes entirely in a different direction from the thrust of this video. So I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article if you're interested. A lot going on in there. Article is titled, Putin's Call to Arms Could Benefit Thai Tourism. And again, I urge those who are watching this video, go check out that article. I'm going to quote a small excerpt for purposes of this video. Quoting directly, one of the problems with charter flights is that passengers are expected to return home on the prearranged flight, whereas the latest Russian travelers may be looking for an extended stay. However, Thai visa rules are certainly flexible enough to create extensions at the drop of a hat. I think that's being a little cavalier with the way things are really running right now. Yeah, I definitely think the paradigm is encouragement of inbound travelers, so I think that's definitely the case. But to think that extensions are going to occur at the drop of a hat, I don't think that's overly prudent moving forward, and I'll say why. One, the emergency decree is now gone. A lot of the discretion associated with in-country conversions, change of status, and extension, a lot of discretion was granted to Thai immigration officers under the decree to allow those things. The decree is now gone. The paradigm that existed prior to the decree, and the paradigm that I think will probably return, is that, look, if you're in non-immigrant status, you need to leave the country to get a new visa if you want to change your status. At the same time, it's not as easy to convert or extend as it was in the past. Again, when we were dealing with extensions, especially kind of atypical ones, especially going back like 2 years ago when people were running to immigration almost a stampede, immigration officials were exercising a lot more favorable discretion associated with extension because where were folks going to go? You know, they didn't really have any alternatives. So yes, it has been relatively easier to deal with extensions the past couple of years than it has in the past, but the Enabling Act, the emergency decree that allowed that is now gone. So while I'm not saying it's just going to overnight turn into what it was at the end of 2019, I do think it's prudent to be aware of this and not presume you're just going to be able to easily extend your status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.